Hey, the name's Joshua Stone. I live over in Folsom, California. I had heard about Cal Vintage from a buddy of mine. I had got an estimate for the first time, and I wasn't too happy with what I had been told. So I reached out to a friend and he said that I have to go with Cal Vintage, being for the value and for the quality of the product. So the salespeople came out. It seemed like it was a pretty seamless ordeal. We went to the showroom. We picked out exactly what we liked, gutter-wise, roof-wise. Everything was seamless. To start off the process, they not only showed up, but they used a drone to check out the top of the house to look for any trouble spots. There were trouble spots. There was some big storms that came through, and there was a leak in our kitchen that I was very dissatisfied with. So they got on the job, they fixed the roof, and also there was some dry rot issues that they had to deal with as well. All of it got wrapped up, and I was very satisfied with the results. The showroom was easy to get to. They had examples everywhere of the different types of composite shingles, and we even got a new gutter off the situation, which I was very happy about, as the old gutters were leaking, rusted, horrible. So if I can tell you anything, if you're looking for value and for quality, I would definitely go with Cal Vintage. I recommend them 100%.